Here it is, our all-new electric Ford Capri. We've taken the icon that brought rebellious American spirit to a whole new generation of drivers, and we've rewired it for an electric age. Our design mission was to capture the essence of the original Capri and rewire it for today's context. I think we've nailed it. The coupe-like roofline and the black window pillars are making it feel more like a sports car for the family. The four signature headlamps connected by a coast-to-coast black graphic are another Capri signature reinvented. We've made the lamps going into the 21st century using dynamic LED technology. Through this, the character of the front end has a friendly but assertive personality. It's the same at the rear, a totally modern take on the original Capri design. There's character and heritage in this four-piece tail lamp and black full-width graphic. The Capri is about confidence and making a statement with vivid yellow and 19, 20 or 21 alloys like these ones, which are definitely going to get noticed. Inside, I think this is exactly how an original Capri driver would have expected the future to feel. Sculpted, massaging sports seat surrounded by a wraparound design with high-quality materials. A digital instrument cluster, a fighter jet-style head-up display, and at the center, a 15-inch touchscreen.
And now let me tell you about a real highlight of the vehicle on the interior. When you open up the armrest, you find space of more than 17 liters underneath. It easily hosts 3 1.5 liter bottles. There is no other word for the boot, it's massive. It hosts 560 liters of space, enough for a very nice family getaway. The Capri is packed with a boatload of really exciting technologies that help the entire family. For example, the soundbar on top of the instrument cluster. It comes from B&O and is part of a 10-way sound system that gives you really premium, enjoyable music. The Capri is not just about great design. We have up to 340 PS that help to accelerate in just over 5 seconds from 0 to 100 kph. The sleek and soulful body doesn't just look sporty, it's also great for aerodynamics. That helps drive up to 627 kilometers on a single charge of the extended range rear-wheel drive model.
That's our all-new electric Ford Capri. Audacious design meets practical innovation. Celebrating our past while reinventing our future. A car that only Ford could build. The legend is back.